Imagine a royal hairstyle so elegant it could grace the stage of a ballet performance. Princess Charlene's latest look is a masterclass in sophistication, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Once known for her bold, uber-cropped pixie cut, the princess has gracefully transitioned to longer locks in 2025, and her recent appearance at Collège Charles in Monaco proves she's embracing this change with unparalleled style. But here's where it gets intriguing. Her ashy blonde hair, styled in a ballet bun, wasn't just any updo. It was a work of art that subtly lifted her features, creating a timeless, regal aura. And this is the part most people miss. The secret lies in the precision of the style. From the teased wave at the front to the sleek sculpted bun at the back, all while maintaining a soft, feminine edge. Could this be the ultimate royal hairstyle? Let's dive in. On November 5th, Princess Charlene, 47, attended an event to congratulate students who designed the winning jersey for Monaco's U16 rugby team. Her hair, styled by experts, became the talk of the town. Jason Collier, a hairstylist with over 2 decades of experience and founder of London's Studio 23 salon, couldn't help but praise the look. It's understated glamour at its finest, he noted, highlighting how the bun enhances the princess's natural bone structure by pulling her hair away from her face. This technique, he explains, creates a subtle lifting effect that's both elegant and effortless. But here's the controversial part. Is this style too polished? To achieve it at home, he recommends layering products, a smoothing serum, flexible hold gel, and a fine mist hairspray. Sounds simple, right? But mastering the precision of this look might require a bit more practice than you'd think. Princess Charlene's hair evolution in 2025 has been nothing short of remarkable. After years of sporting a platinum blonde pixie cut, she's embraced softer, longer styles that showcase her versatility. From a subtle beehive updo with a side fringe to sleek Hollywood waves and face-framing curtain bangs, each look has been a statement in itself. Take, for instance, her appearance at the 69th Rose Ball, where her lightly curled bangs perfectly framed her face, paying homage to the event's charitable cause, the Princess Grace Foundation, founded by her late mother-in-law, Grace Kelly. But here's the question we can't stop thinking about. Is Princess Charlene's shift to longer hair a reflection of a broader trend in royal styling? Or is it a personal choice that defies convention? One thing's for sure. Her ability to effortlessly transition from edgy to elegant keeps us all inspired. What's your take? Do you prefer her pixie cut or her longer, softer styles? Let us know in the comments. We're all ears.